Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. What I'm about to show you is a new link to the course for the Python 3. All you gotta do is come on over to a link here called quantlabs slash Python 3. This is the Python version 3 cryptocurrency course, 297. All the videos and all that. Here's what you'll learn: how to build cryptocurrency custom trading bots for cryptocurrency. It can be really used for any exchange out there, but I primarily use Binance. So what you'll learn is I'll give a rough programming language overview with Python as a focus. Then we go into a second section on Python tools and methodology. From there, I'll show you some things like simple debugging and what tools like editors and whatnot you can use. From there, we'll focus on data wrangling. Now, in terms of knowledge, how much knowledge you need to learn about Python, I would say basics would be needed. Namely, if you read a book called Learning Python the Hard Way, going on to Channel 9 for Microsoft and learning about Python. Those are two resources. I know that Channel 9 is fairly free, so even if you're new to Python, you can learn that as well. So from there, what we're doing is I'm going to show you how to wrangle market data. This includes samples, how to download for IQ feed, IEX, LMAX, and Oanda. And then from there we start moving into pandas, the package data frames to manipulate the data. I use it a lot, so I like to always look at it as an internal virtual representation of what you'd see in Excel. You can do some simple calculations on it and generate CSVs, common separated values, so statistical calculations, so on and so forth. And then we move into the NoSQL database options. I specifically work on Redis. I like it. It's fairly light, but fully functional, and it's true open source, so you get a lot of functionality for free. And then I'll go into the different types of setups with that. Then we can go into technical analysis with a particular package. It's called TELib, and I'll show you some examples of what you can do with that, like Bollinger, exponential, moving average, and so forth, or RSI. Then I'll show you a commercial charting package called Chart Director. And that's pretty cool. I also show you some of the advantage you'll get over that as compared to Matplotlib or Seaborn. And from there, we'll get right into cryptocurrency for Python. So one of the packages I use is like a wrapper to all the 100 plus exchanges out there. It's using CCXT. When you do that, you can quickly change over using maintaining all the trading rules and logic, and just change the exchanges that you want fairly quickly instead of having to redesign your entire bot or software to move from one exchange to another. Then we talk about all the different reliable exchanges out there in my experience, and then we can talk about how to fund a cryptocurrency account, all the different options that are available to you. And some of the other areas that we look into are just the different cryptocurrency ideas for forward-looking, and other ideas that may impact cryptocurrency. Top of that, I got lots of bonuses in there that will show you how to work with advanced topics on cryptocurrency, bots, and just generally Python. So you just add your price to that, and you're good to go. It's all backed now by Shopify. Makes life a lot easier, cleaner, and all that. And if you got any questions, just let me know. We shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching.